Good morning students. Welcome you all to this session. Today's class we are going to start our next topic, fractions on a number line. You can take page number 136 in your NCERT textbook. Actually, before going to the fractions of number line, we can deal with the next topic. What is meant by a proper fraction, improper fraction and a mixed fraction. We have already discussed about this topic in our previous class, right? Proper fraction means what? A fraction where the numerator is less than the denominator, right? In improper fraction, the numerator will be greater than the denominator. In mixed fraction, it will be having a whole part as well as a proper fraction. So this is what the things, and we have learned some more definitions regarding that. Just you can recall that once, then you can listen to this class. Okay. Next we are going to discuss about the example number 1. We can discuss the topic of fractions on a number line in the exercise problem. Okay, before that we can deal with this problem. Okay, example number 1. What is the question? Express the following as mixed fractions. We are going to express the given fraction in mixed fraction. Actually, what is a fraction given? It is a improper fraction. Always what we will be doing is we will convert the improper fraction to a mixed fraction. Okay, so this is an improper fraction. We are going to convert that into a mixed fraction. How will our mixed fraction will look like? It will be a combination of a whole part and a proper fraction. Yes, so once you recall the definitions of a proper, improper and mixed, you can do these problems very easy. Okay, 17 by 14. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to just divide this. 17 numerator value should be inside and denominator should be outside. Okay, listen children, you don't put this 4 inside and 17 outside. Always numerator should be inside and denominator should be outside. Okay, then 4 4s are 16, right? Division, as usual, division. 4 4s are 16, remainder 1. That's all. What is a mixed fraction now? Always you should write the quotient, remainder and the divisor. This is how your mixed fraction should looks like. Okay, so listen here, quotient should be written here, remainder in the numerator, divisor in the denominator. What is the divisor actually? Denominator is the divisor. Okay, always denominator will come as a divisor here. You know divisor, right? Dividend, divisor, the things you have learned, right? The same thing. What is the quotient which we got? This is your quotient, this is your remainder and this is your divisor. So how you will write children? 4, you can write this is little bit larger, 1 by 4. Okay, 4 quotient 4, remainder 1, divisor 4. 4 1 by 4 is the mixed fraction for the given fraction. Okay, this is how you should write it. Next, B problem. 11 by 3. What is your B problem? 11 by 3. Actually 11 is what? 11 by 3 is what fraction? It is a mixed fraction, that you know, right? So what you will do? You will divide it. Which one should come inside? The value which is in the numerator should come inside and the denominator is actually a divisor here. 3 3s are 9. Remainder 2. So how you will write? Quotient, remainder, divide by divisor. Quotient, remainder by divisor. Okay, this is how you will write the mixed fraction for the given expression. Remaining C and D problem is your homework. Okay. Next page you will be having example number 2. Express the following mixed fractions as improper fractions. So we are going to express this. This is actually a mixed fraction, right? Because it will be having a whole part and a proper fraction. Proper fraction means what? The numerator will be less than the denominator. So it will be having a whole part and a proper fraction. So we have to convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So how you will convert it? Just simple thing. Down multiplication, up addition. Down multiplication, up addition. First you will do multiplication only, right? Yes. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. Okay, 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. You should write the answer in the numerator. Then what it is in the denominator? The same divisor should be here also. So 11 by 4 is the improper fraction which we are getting from this mixed fraction. Okay. Next is your B problem. What is your B problem, children? 7 1 by 9. What is your B problem? 7 1 by 9. So what you will do? Yes, now multiplication, addition. Down multiplication, up addition. 7 9s are 63. 63 plus 1, 64. So where you will write? You will write it in the numerator. And what it is in the denominator? 9. So 64 by 9 is the mixed, it is a improper fraction for the given mixed fraction. Okay. C problem is your homework. Okay. Next see, I'll explain you how to do the basic concepts in number lines. Okay. See, in natural numbers, how you will write? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, like that you will write, right? In natural numbers, you will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. In whole numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3 like that you will write. When it comes to the integers, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, 0, 1, 2, 3 like that you will draw the number lines, right? So if you want to indicate plus 4 means this is your, you will put a box like this. If it is minus 4, you will put a box like this, correct? But when it comes to your fraction, if you want to indicate the fraction 1 by 5, okay, if you want to indicate the fraction 1 by 5 in a number line, what you will do is you will just draw the first numbers, okay, 0 and you take 1. Okay, why I am taking 0 and 1 means, listen, we can divide this 1 by 5, right? What will come inside? 1 will come inside, 5 will go outside, right? So, can we divide this 1 divided by 5? No. So, you can keep one decimal point. So, 1 0 will get inserted. Yes, do you remember this type of division? 1 decimal point, 1 0. Now, 5 2s are 10. But 0 is your remainder. So, what is the answer you are getting? 0.2. Actually, this 0.2 is less than 1, greater than 0. Correct? Because 0.2 will lie here in between this. It will not come more than 1. It is less than 1 actually, but it is greater than 0. So, we have found that the 1.5 lie between 0 and 1. We have just found out that 1 by 5 lies between 0 and 1. So what we have to do is, in order to find this fraction, we can represent that 0 as 0 by 5. Why? Because 0 by 10 is 0. 0 by 11 is 0. So, if a 0 comes in the numerator, then the answer is a 0. So, 0 can be written as 0 by 5. After 0 by 5, what digit you will write? 1 by 5, 2 by 5, see 3 by 5, 4 by 5. 1 can be written as 5 by 5. How? Listen, if I am writing 5 by 5, in fifth table, 1 times, 1 times. So, what is the answer you are getting? 1 by 1. 1 by 1 is what? 1. So, instead of 1, can we write 5 by 5? Yes. So, I told you that 1 by 5 lie between 0 and 1. So, instead of 0, I am writing 0 by 5. Instead of 5, I am writing 5 by 5. Okay, why I am using 5? Because we want in terms of 5. That's why 0 by 5, 5 by 5. All the denominators should be same. So now, did you got the value of 1 by 5? Yes, so I am going to mark this 1 by 5 fraction on the number line. If it is 10 by 5, the answer is what? 2. So you can put a box in the number 2. Okay, I'll explain you when we are drawing some more diagrams. Okay. See, next we are going to the exercise 7.2. You can take page number 141 in your NCERT textbook. First problem, draw number lines and locate the points on this. So they have given few points. We have to draw a number line. We have to locate the points. Okay. See, I told you all our denominators should be same. Here 4, 4, 4. Here it is 2. Can we make this 2 as 4? Yes, because see, we can make this 2 as 4. How? In 2 2s are 4. Appa, you can do this also 4. So 1 by 2 will become 2 by 4. Correct? See, this denominator only it is different. This is 4, this is 4, this is 4. So I want to make that 2 as 4 because I want every denominator as same. So 2 2s are, if you multiply 2 with this, it will become 4. So I am multiplying this 2 with the numerator. 1 2s are 2. So instead of 1 by 2, how I am writing? 2 by 4. Then 1 by 4. Then 3 by 4. Then 4 by 4. Is it? See, 2 by 4, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. Now I am going to represent this on a number line. So just I am going to draw one. You can use a scale and a pencil and you can draw it, children. See, all these values lies between 0 and 1. How? Because listen, why I am saying it as 0 and 1 na? 1 by 4, it is less than 1. If you divide it and see, it is less than 1. 3 by 4, it is also less than 1. 4 by 4 is what actually? If you cancel this, 1 by 1 is 1. So it is a 1 value. 2 by 4 is also less than 1. So obviously this lies between 0 and 1. Okay, so first you should get a confirmation that from which all values it is lying, that you should get the confirmation. So now I got the confirmation that it lies between 0 and 1. So what is the remainder actually here? 4. Okay, so 0 can be written as 0 by 4. 1 can be written as 4 by 4. Is it? I told you, 1 can be written as 4 by 4. 0 can be written as 0 by 4 because our denominator is 4. All the denominators are 4. That is why I made all the denominator as 4 now. Now, after 0 by 4, what is the value? 1 by 4. Next, 2 by 4. Next, 3 by 4. You can give some more spacings, no problem. Okay, so 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, then 4 by 4. That's all. Only this much elements will lie here. So now, can we mark this, can we plot these points? Yes, 2 by 4, it is here. You can put a box like this. 1 by 4, yeah, it is here. I can put a box like this. Then 3 by 4, yes, you can put a box like this. 4 by 4, yes, this one. Okay, this one is your 4 by 4. So this also lies. Or you can draw a separate table like this. Okay, I have drawn in one single table. You can draw some separate table like this. See, I will draw and show you. I told you it lies between 0 and 1. Right. So 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. What is the first value? 2 by 4. Where it is lying? Here. That's all. In the second number line, I told you it lies between 0 and 1. 0 by 4, 4 by 4. What is second value? 1 by 4, right? First you plot every points. In that 1 by 4, you can box it. Okay, next. 0, 1, 0 by 4, 4 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. What is the third value? 3 by 4. So you put a box in the 3 by 4. Next again, you can draw 4 different number line and you can say I am going to draw 0, 1, 0 by 4, 4 by 4. Okay. Now what is the in between the values? 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4 and 3 by 4. Now so what is the value? Last value 4 by 4. What is the 4 by 4 actually? Here. So you can put a box like this. Okay. See, in one single number line I have brought 4 values, or you can draw separate number lines and you can plot the values. Okay. Next is your B problem. What are the values given? 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 7 by 8. In this, all the denominators are same. So we don't want to make all the denominators as same. Okay. Now our main role is to draw the number line and just plotting it. Okay. Actually 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 7 by 8 all lie between 0 and 1. You can just check it out and see. You can divide it and see. All the values lies between 0 and 1. I'll give you one trick. Okay. If it is a proper fraction, all are proper fraction, then obviously the proper fraction is less than or equal to 1. Right. So it will always lie between 0 and 1. Okay. Because it is less than 1 and greater than 0. Okay. Now first number line. What I told you, it lie between 0 and 1. Why? Because it is a proper fraction. 1 by 8 is a proper fraction. So it lies between 0 and 1. Okay. How will you write the 0? I will write the 0 as 0 by 8. How will you write 1? 8 by 8. Yes? Because 1 means 8 by 8. 0 means 0 by 8. So what are the values in between that? 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8. Okay, I have just wrote. See, listen, 0 by 8, 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8, 8 by 8. Okay, till 8 is there. That's why I am finishing here till 7. So what is the 1 by 8? Where is the 1 by 8 lies here? It is lying here. So you can put a box like this. Okay, next again. You can draw using a scale and pencil, children. 0, 1. This is also a proper fraction. So it lies between 0 and 1. 0 by 8. Okay. 1 by 8. 2 by 8. 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8, 8 by 8. Okay. Now what is the second value? 2 by 8. Where is the 2 by 8 values there, children? It is here. Okay. 2 by 8 is here. 1 by 8 is here. 2 by 8 is here. Next 3 by 8. Again I am drawing a number line. 0 and 1. 0 by 8. The same number line I am going to draw. I am not making any changes. Okay. 3 by 8. 4 by 8. 5 by 8. 6 by 8. 7 by 8. 8 by 8. Because 1 is what? 8 by 8. Next 3 by 8. Where I will mark it? I will mark here. I will put a box like this. Next 7 by 8. I am just drawing 0, 0 by 8. Here 1, 8 by 8. You can put a ball like that. 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8. So where does this number 7 by 8 lies? It is here. Listen, children, everything is in positive side. It lies between 0 and 1 because these are all proper fraction. Proper fractions value is always lie between 0 and 1. Okay. Next is your C problem. 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 8 by 5, 4 by 5. All the denominators are same. So we don't want to make any changes. Now first we'll draw a number line. See, first value is 2 by 5, right? First value is what? 2 by 5. 2 by 5 is what fraction? It is a proper fraction. So, it will lie between 0 and 1. Okay? So, 0 and 1. So, what you will write for 0? 0 by 5. What you will write for 1? 5 by 5. Is it? Now, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5. So, in this, where this 2 by 5 is there? Here. So, you can put a box like this. Next. 3 by 5 is also a proper fraction. So, it lies between 0 and 1. 0 by 5, 5 by 5. Okay? 0 by 5, 5 by 5. 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5. Okay? So, in this, where this number 3 by 5 is coming? Here. Okay? So, we have marked. Now, 8 by 5. Actually, 8 by 5 is a improper fraction. Okay, 8 by 5 is what? Improper fraction. Actually, improper fraction value will be greater than 1. Okay, listen. For that, we will do some different method. Okay, listen children. I told you improper fraction will be greater than 1. So, it will lie between what values we can see. Okay, 8 by 5. Correct? So, we can divide this 8, 5, 5 ones are 5. Remainder 3. 0. 6 5s are 30. So, what is the answer we are getting? 1.6. 1.6 lie between 1 and 2. Correct? 1.6 lie between 1 and 2. See, it is an improper fraction. So, it will be obviously greater than 1. So, 1.6 we have divided and see and we got 1.6. So, 1.6 lies between 1 and 2. So, in terms of 5, how we will write here? 0 by 5. 1 how we will write? 5 by 5. So, what are the values in between? 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5. So, 2 how you would write? 10 by 5. Okay, can we write this 2 as 10 by 5? Yes, because 10 divided by 5 means 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. But 2 by 1 is what actually? 2. So, instead of 2 I am writing 10 by 5 with the same denominators. Okay. Why I am writing 2 as 10 by 5? We are having denominator as 5. If the denominator is 6 na, 12 by 6 you will write it. 6 twos are 12. Okay, like that you will write. Now, 5 by 5 na, here 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5, 9 by 5, 10 by 5. Now, did you got the value of 8 by 5? Yes. So, it lie between 1 and 2. So, 0 I am writing 0 by 5 because my denominator is 5. If it is denominator as 6, what you will do? 0 by 6. 1 6 by 6. 2 12 by 6. So, it depends upon the denominators. Okay. This is your 4 by 5. Okay. I am just drawing it. It lie between 0 and 1. That we know obviously because 4 by 5 is a proper fraction. 0 by 5 how you will write? 0, 0 by 5. 1, 5 by 5. 1 by 5. 2 by 5. 3 by 5. 4 by 5. So, where does this 4 by 5 is lying? It lies here. So, you can put a box like this. Understood children? Just first you should do, you have to check whether all our denominators are same. Then what you have to do, check whether it is a proper fraction. Proper fraction na, it will lie between 0 and 1. If it is an improper fraction, it obviously greater than 1. So, you can divide it and see, and by the point you can find it lie between 1 to 2 or 2 to 3, depends upon the value. Then you can write as usual. 2 means based upon the multiples of 2 you should write. 4 means multiples of 4 you should write. Okay. Today's class we have discussed about the fractions of number line and how to convert a improper fraction to a mixed fraction and a mixed fraction to an improper fraction. And I have given few example problems as homework. I hope you all understood children. Thank you.